Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Wise account from start to finish. Wise is one of the best platforms for sending money internationally, holding multiple currencies, and getting great exchange rates. So if you've been thinking about signing up, this video will guide you through it easily. To start, open the Wise website on your computer or download the Wise app on your phone. The app is available on both iOS and Android, and it's usually the easiest way to create your account. Once you open it, tap on Create Account. From there, you can begin setting everything up right away. The app is really simple to use. You can manage your money, make payments, check your balance, or even use the Wise multi-currency card if you decide to order one. You'll also get instant transaction notifications straight to your phone, which makes everything super convenient. Next, you'll be asked to register using your email address. You can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account if that's easier for you. Just follow the prompts on your screen. Wise lays out every step clearly, so it's hard to go wrong. And if you ever need help, you can contact their customer service team through the chat option inside the app. They're pretty quick to respond. After that, Wise will ask what type of account you want to open. You can choose between a personal account or a business account. A personal account is perfect if you're sending or receiving money for your own use, while a business account is designed for companies or freelancers who need to make or receive payments in different currencies. Choose the one that best fits your needs before moving forward. You'll then be asked to confirm your country of residence and enter a valid mobile number. Don't worry if your number isn't from your country of residence. It just needs to be active because Wise will send you a one-time password to verify your phone. Make sure your phone has a signal so you can receive the code and confirm your account. The final part of setting up your Wise account is verifying your identity. This is an important step that helps keep your account secure. Wise will ask you to upload a form of identification that could be your passport, driver's license, or national ID. You can do all of this directly from your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions, take a clear photo of your ID, and upload it. Once Wise reviews your documents and approves them, your account will be verified and ready to use. And that's it. Your Wise account is now active. You can send money internationally, receive payments in different currencies, and even order your Wise card to spend abroad at low conversion rates. It's quick, easy, and really convenient for anyone who deals with international transactions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.